Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Frame Arms Girls Sylphy Striker. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, I did not expect to get this at all. Like, really. I've actually no intention of giving this market first, but when I went to the store today just to get stuff for my friend, I saw this in store and I thought, oh, looks nice, I'll get it. So, when I saw the price, I was like, should I get it or should I not? And eventually I got it. So, yep, this is my third female's girl I've forgotten. I still have my Go Ride and Fast Fargo Ultra I have not built yet. I should get built on these, but yeah. They did also have Go Ride Kai version 2 and Letitia, I guess that's the name is, if in the store. But I thought, yeah, maybe you should try something different. Maybe it's not female's girl time, because if I ever have a Go Ride, so I thought I don't think the Go Ride Kai is like I don't think the Go Ride Kai is like necessary for me, so I already got Sylphy instead. So yeah, yeah, like I said, I have no knowledge about freelance girl whatsoever, but considering that this is it's like an SD version of a freelance girl, I figured yeah I should get it because you know it's well if I put it beside like an Android or an SD, I think they pretty look good together. But we'll see how it goes when I get building. So yeah, it's in the box. So yep, Sylphy. There is another version of Sylphy, which is the like the normal Sylphy, but this is a striker version. So, as far as I know, so yeah, let's go in the box. Okay, on the side here we have basically the front back shot of the kit, and basically it's saying it's based off the figures made by Mega House, which yeah, this is a killer big. This is a model kit. So, this is basically a model kit of that figure figurine you get in this line, which yeah, I mean I was kind of keeping my eye on Desktop Army, but I didn't bother much until I got this today. So yeah, and on the side we have the faces that you can use. Basically you got a normal face, you got a like a cheeky face, and you got like a what's going on, and you also got a blank face if you want to make your own face with this one. But kind of wish the eyes are straight rather than looking on to the side to the left, because that just kind of ruins the look a little, because I prefer it to look straight. So it's like that's how I like to just like my friends girls, but no, unfortunately it's looking slightly to the left. On the side, nothing much here, and it retails for I guess 4,800 yen if I'm not mistaken. Alright, let's open the box. So get the sleeve out here, and yes, I paid a lot for this thing. I don't know why I got this anyways, but let's go open the box. Come on. Oh my, it's always the Code Wikis box I have a hard time opening. I got. Okay, can we get it out? Come on, there we go. Yeah. Okay. First back we got the kind of like a teal turquoise color on there. Yeah, it's interesting. On the back we have the white parts. Yeah, I've never built a Code Wiki kit before, so even though I still got Go Ride and Fast Fargo, I have not built any of these kits yet. I will get them eventually if I can. On the back and next bag, D plate, which is all the that's let's move on. Yeah, next the next runner, which is the C plate, which is the hair, if I'm not mistaken. Next bag we have the B plate, which is again all the white parts in this kit. It's kind of a glossy white, which is interesting. And next bag we have the next runner we have it's very similar to the yellow that's used on the Hazel kits, if I put it that way. Yeah, it's quite close to that color. Next bag we have the it's an O plate, which is I guess the joints of the kit, I guess. And then we have the M plate, which is the again more yellow, orange yellow parts, and then you also get the joints, I guess. Yeah, joints. Next bag we have the empty face plate, which you can put whatever oops, sorry we didn't see the camera, guys. I'm trying to focus. I'm trying on the camera. You got the empty faceplate if you want to make your own faceplate if you want. I guess that's the back of the hand. Not sure. And some other joints. And next pack we have the it's dual packed. So you got the N runners, which are like the joints, and your E and D runner, yeah, D runner, which is like some parts. And here you get a base, if I'm not, yeah, kind of like a base. You got like I believe there's something in the forehead, and then you get a 3 face plates. You got the normal face, which is like looking left. Yeah, I really wish they made the eyes look straight, because it's kind of bothersome that they actually make it like look like that. I know it's supposed to say a stance, but come on, make the eyes straight. And then you get a cutesy face. Oh, actually, no, yeah, something like a no. It's not a cheeky face. It's a don't describe his face. I'll put it. Never mind. And this face, which I'm not gonna talk about much. And you get the water slides. Again, I won't be using these because you have these faces done for you. I kind of wish they released like something like that. Alright, so the manual. And yeah, the manual it is thick. I just realized, but I have no clue why it's thick, especially for. I have no clue why it's fake, especially for a kid that's pretty simple as opposed to the 3 months girl. But yeah, it is simple. So yeah, let's just to put it that way. And yeah, oh, it has some kind of transformation mechanism. That's interesting. And you can also like apparently you can attach a Megami device kits onto this kit as well, which is interesting. But I'm not really into that really. Yeah. So that's an unboxing of the 3 months girl Sylphy Striker. Yeah, I have no comment about this this kit. Like I'm just really intrigued by it, so I just got it anyways. But I will probably post a little poll next week, probably in the next week or so. So I can ask you guys which one we built next. This is one kit, and I said I'll consider another kit, one of my Gundam kits in my collection. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.